Hey, so guys, welcome to this video. So today we are doing some sad stuff about Piggy. Now you see right here we have my pictures of all your friends who got infected. Doggy, Pony, Zizzy and Bunny. Yep, all of them. But everybody knows now, and I realise it's very sad, the player only has one somewhat friend remaining. Willow is the player's last friend. Because as you know, Doggy, Pony, Zizzy and Bunny, these four on the screen, have been infected. So yes. And also the other two people that we're friends with, and forgot twins. Oh yeah, forgot about the twins. We forgot about the entire army of Willow's gang. Yeah, they're all infected. I don't know if Willow's actually infected, but leave a comment below. And if it is, wait, I can't. Oh wait, sorry, silly me. I don't put comments on, so don't do that. Why you don't put comments on, because that you can't. This is a kid's account, so yeah. Anyway, this is basically, and also we have Mimi and Giraffe, who is also infected. Why is all our friends infected? Yeah, so we just have. Now I'm just scrolling down. Jesus, my friends. My friends frozen. It's green. I cannot pronounce words. Piggy book. And now we're gonna look at the Piggy book 2 skins. Wait, Willow is infected. Willow's infected, so it's just the player left. I never knew that. I thought she was still fine. Oh my God, book 2 chapter 11. Yes, you guys, this man, Baddy. Oh yeah, Baddy, I forgot Baddy came back. Yep, Laura, Archie, Sizzleless, whatever his name is. You have Katie. Oh, this. Yeah, the Kraken, the weird piggy thing that Tio used on us. And Tio, well, stretchy thing, Tio. Oh my God, it's a pony. It's a pony Piggy book 2 skin. Minecraft. Marcus, Tigry, Elvis again, Archie, Dakota. What's the name? Spadella. That's it. Ooh, Robbie. You're on book 2, but I can see you. Decatur? Is that his name? Decatur? I don't know. Yeah, we can also do a tier list. After this, we're going to do a tier list. This is all I know this is not Kraken again. Rays! I forgot about Rays. Coley and Ellie. Golden Pig. How is that ages ago? Tigray. Oh, it's the mummy man. I forgot about him. Piggy. The back of Piggy. Iced Piggy. Bunny. This thing. Whatever that is. I don't know. I don't think that's actually in. Yeah, that's not in Piggy. Let's do a tier list. Let's visit this tier list to make a even chapter 2 skins. I don't think it has Tio though. That's disappointing. So yeah. Hurry up and load, stupid thing! Don't say stupid. It's a bad word. It's boiling. No, I'm boiling right now. I'm sweating. Oh my God. And now it's not a fire. If you think it was a fire, it was not. It was the bed. It was a bed. I'm laying on. Probably 4 hours on a gaming chair. No, I'm not on a gaming chair. I'm on that tablet, bro. I'm on that tablet. I'm on a tablet, bro. I don't know why I'm speaking like that. This thing will explode. I'm slamming the bed right now. This is not going too low. Finally, it's done it! Piggy skins all around. What the hell is this? Tier lists. I hate, oh my god, I hate ads. How do I get, oh, there's the X. Okay, so people pick the best, oh. Which NBA? Yoink. I wanna create my own. Got it. Create my own. Nope. X this. Template. Lock fruit sword. Jesus. I said. So if I search. Yo, what the hell? My thing glitched. My thing glitched for a second. So piggy. So piggy skins. Go. Go! Looks. All piggy skins. So, whoa, we have so many piggy skins. Wait, is this only book 2? No, it's not. We have this. Okay, so there's so many piggy skins that we could use. See? Oh, there's no Teo. I don't see a Teo anywhere, so that's sad. Oh my god. They have the alternative skins as well. Toby, I forgot they had this Toby Phoenix, Crow with so many different ones. What's that cat doing? This is, I don't know, all the new skins. So, starting off with this one. Now, I'm voting on how cool it looks. So, if I tap on it, so I can put that F. I can put this. Now, it looks pretty cool. So, I'm going to put that at B tier. Now, we have this, that, this looks like Skid. The one next to the pumpkin dude, looks like Skid from Skid and Pump. Was that? No, that's Pump. Yeah, it looks like Pump, not Skid. Skid is skeleton. Anyway, so we could have C and D, not F. I'll put it in D. You know, this dude, he looks cool, so I'm gonna put him in C. This one could go in D. Oh my god, this one looks awesome. A. This one, not that good. C. B. I'll put it in B. It looks cool. This one looks really good. I'm going to put it in A as well. Put it in A with this man. No, you still get the first one. You get the first part. Let's see. Oh my god, look at this donut. Now this thing, I still have no idea. Wait, that's an, okay. Oh, sorry, Laura. Go back and lie, Laura. Laura. F to D. D. I thought you would, no, C. This hippo. Now, this hippo does not look cool. D. This cat thing. Where'd it go? Here. Yeah, B. Oh, the music playing in the background is just from DC Supervillains. Okay, you look better than him, and you go in the back. Now, I'm just gonna look for someone to put in F. There's gonna be someone who catches my eye who has to go in F. You know what? Nobody really knows about this character. Everybody forgets about it. Memory. Oh yeah, also I'm gonna do Dino because Dino Piggy, barely anybody uses Dino Piggy. So memory F. Going back to Dino Piggy. Dino Piggy, come on, let's go to F. Hurry up, Mr. Dino Piggy. There. Now. Oh yeah. Wait. It wasn't the looks. It was looks. Silly me. But they look ugly. This one looks really cool. So I'm gonna put him up in A. I'll put him in there. Molly. Oh wait, I know who this wolf character is. Isn't the wolf Marley Russell? Yeah, that's the name of this wolf thing. That's the name of this wolf. It's Marley Russell. Yeah, that's it. I haven't played Piggy in a long time. Isn't this but the exact same as this one? It's non infected. I'll put you next to that thing. Oh, this one. This ant. This stupid ant. I'll put you just in seat here. Phoenix person. Got a name. Put you here. No, enough. She looks cool. So, you know first. Oh yeah, Night Piggy. Go here. Laura doesn't look that good. I'm sorry. Somebody just no. I'm putting her D. Replacing with this hippo dude. The hippo looks this rubbish. Golden Piggy. I like it. But it doesn't deserve to be in C. First thing in D. He has the most. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6. But S has 0. We need some in S. Easter Bunny. No, I just don't like the Easter Bunny. Easter Bunny first thing in F. You would have deserved last thing in D. Wait, no, first thing in F. You should go up. Now this penguin. Don't really like the design. F. Ice Piggy. F. Oh wait, there is a teal. At the end of the first line. Huh, never noticed. Owl. Owlie. What we name? Mr. Stitchy. Isn't Mr. Stitchy Teddy from Peppa Pig? You know what? Put him here. Okay, you know Mr. Stitchy. There, Mr. Stitchy. This dude still does really swap. Mr. Stitchy is not that cool. Put him in B. Wait, B means very cool. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. First thing in C. No. This dude. Polly. Just not. The design of Polly is not that good. Okay. I'll put him here. So I can have this dude. I forgot his name. He was I know he's an alternate of one of the normal Piggy skins. I put him at Crow. Instantly, you go up to C. Right? Okay, before tonight, he looks pretty cool. I like Crow. Okay, now C is actually full. Come on, S. We need a really good character. I'm just gonna look down for a really character like that I like a lot. My old favorite, for some reason, just was okay. You know what? I don't care. Tio. Instantly, I'm sending Tio up to BS tier. Now I will. Kamosi. Kamosi was one of my favorites. So I'll put you in last thing in B tier. A tier. I mean, no, Mr. Snow. No, Mr. Snow. No, yeah, go on, Mr. Snow. Mr. Snow, give him a space. Thank you, Mr. Snow. I'm just gonna call this snowman Mr. Snow for now. Because, just why not? Because why not? Yes. The reason is because why not? Oh, look at all of these. Oh, this man. I forgot this man was a thing. I forgot this fox dude. No, you don't even know which one I'm putting. Yeah, that one who just moved. Yeah, if you hope you saw that. Okay, Mimi, no. No way. No way. There's only one that deserves to be left. Seriously. Paradise, you just look ugly. Rain Decker. The Rain Decker goes in there. Goes in there. Probably still last in there because I just really hate the Polly skin. Also, Piggy, don't like. But Willow is just a normal Willow with red eyes. But I like the design of Willow. D tier. Sizzlers, S tier. Sizzlers, you deserve S tier. You're really gonna like Sizzlers. And also you, I have no idea who you are. S tier, you look really cool. Quaxicord, no, ugly. Quaxicord is ugly. Whoops. Put Paradise back. Alternate Paradise. That was him. That was an alternate Paradise. F. Okay, fine. You look cute. Pew. Kamosi, leave. Kamosi. Yes, finally. I got him. Kamosi was so annoying then. Twins. I like the design. Now this is where I'm gonna put Zizzy. I got it correct. Spinella. I really like Spinella. Chapter 9. But it would be because she does look cool. You know what, twins, sorry. I'm moving the twins to F. F. That's how bad you are, twins. That's how bad you are. You guys deserve an E. I had to speak an alphabet law language. Wait, I forgot Billy existed. I forgot the Billy Piggy existed. I like his design though. So, I can build maps if you want. I want to build maps for like all the characters. Because I already built Mother's Distorted Mansion. Yeah, so... Oh, wait, the video is over. So I have no more time. So I guess I'll see you next time. Remember, stay mega and stay everything. Peace.